Nah, I got the screwdriver set in the VS.
Oh, you did?
That brand new little kit I bought.
Yeah, bud.
I've been collecting the tools. Now we have sort of a... Yeah, it's a fucking tool chest and box. But anyway, we're fiddling around. We're putting an Adventure King's little light bar doggy dog on the daily VS because it gets a bit hairy out here in the sticks, coming home at night and leaving in the morning and whatnot. Need a bit more light.
Just a little bit.
Bit of light in my life. So we're going to just quickly hook this dog up. Never done one, but we're going to have a fucking fiddle around. I reckon we can get it done. Got the mad little fucking shays. Could go that or just plain black one with the light. But I reckon we just fucking put the little light bar because, you know, you've got a stunt on them. Anyway, we're going to get the dog. See how she turns out.
While Matt moves the naughty VS, we got a little work light that we have to set up. Gotta throw the f***er down here on the washing machine. Send it up. Plug the door in. Ooh, yeah, bud. Yeah, bud. It's not warm.
Every time I read it, it's like, please no.
Wait, let me warm up a little bit, please. But yeah, that light bar dog goes on there. Yeah, bud.
We've got a sizzling away. Pull this plate off. Now I did some pre-bending because I got told, no, she's not going to fit, like it doesn't line up with the bar, and let me just unplug this doggy. So I did a little curvature bend on her, full technical, got the bloody CNC machine out and all that nonsense, you know. We're going to line up with, I reckon, if you can see that, the second line. The second line from the bottom with the screw holes.
And we've got two in the corner there.
And that should give us room at the back for that bit of wiring to go straight up the nostril. Just fucking...
Little bit of...
It's a Friday night, the boys are on it. Straight up that fucking right nosy. Oh, it's coming down out his mouth. It happens sometimes. Happens to the best of us.
It does.
It comes back to get you.
Comes back to biting the fucking ass.
Or the throat.
Or the throat.
Why are my teeth numb?
Yeah, bud.
And then, yeah, we just adjust the level
The height
of that
to...
by the back on that little curvature bit. Curvature of the earth is what will follow. Flat earth. What's wrong with me tonight?
Alright, I'll come back to you in a minute.
Alright, so Dean's come in for the assist. So we've got, I'll show you the actual, we got two of them. H4 harness from the back of the headlights to still be able to plug in your headlight and then piggyback off it for this loom on this connector. So when you go high beams, obviously the light bar will do the same and go whoosh. But yeah, so we've got that. I've just blocked all the light.
Yes, thank you.
We've got that hooked up in there, plugged into the stock one, and then we'll run our piggyback out through the side. Peyote. I'm just going to test it all sitting out here first, make sure it works, then I'll fuck with getting it through the firewall. Alright, I'm about to give Kane one of the first ever GearHeadsOz hoodies. I love the bloke, and he's earned this one. I'm going to get his reaction. Kane, my good sir.
Yes.
I bestow upon you a large GearHeadsOz hoodie.
Thank you. I will not say no to that. Yeah, bud. Coming soon, boys.
Bud! Dean's getting his fucking naughty little beaters into it. Test hooking up, negative, positive. Kane's being a firebug over here.
Do you want to turn your vehicle on
Trying to keep
and the lights on.
Oh, I can do that. I can do that. Hey, Kane, you want to film this bit?
Yeah, bud.
Test light, vehicle on,
Yes.
brightness.
Hopefully that dog gets going soon. Keep us warm. God dang good, sir. Now let's see if it does things.
The switch maybe not in the right sequence.
Yeah, and I haven't fully pushed them all on yet because I kind of done a little.
You had power to said switch.
Just probably not in the right.
What are you trying to do?
Probably not in the right sequence. Fire going behind that.
Yeah, bud. Cheers to that. Oh, I should turn it back on now.
Yep.
My brew.
Nope. Back over here.
You can still flick it off. Yeah. So as long as that switches that way, yeah. As soon as your high beam's on, it's on.
Yeah, bud. Good shit. Now to do.
I'm lazy. I just like to keep the switch on.
Yeah. Now we do the fun part of wiring the gun through into the.
Making it all look tidy, getting it through the firewall. Okay, so I'm opting to run it down the side of the guard under that bit of loom. Now, gonna go behind the booster and then it's gonna join in where we've run our previous wiring for the gauge, for the oil pressure and water temperature. We put a cross cut in it, so hopefully I can just slip it through. If not, I'll spit on it a bit, tell it a bunch of naughty secrets and hopefully it opens up for me. Usually works, but if not, we'll see what we can figure out. Alright, so we're all mounted up, all wired in, tucked up away under there. She comes up through there, all hooked up here, looped around into the firewall back there. Now let's see if we can hook a switch up and get her going. So I just sat it between the seat and the center console, just hanging there for now. There we go. She's good as gold, mate.
Good go.
Little switch in there. Lights on when the bar's active. Bossa. Turn it off. On. Boom. Yeah, bud, just got to adjust it up a little bit, I think. Looking at where the headlights sit compared to where the light bar beam goes. But we'll take it for a test spin and see what we're working with. Pan and Beano, the camera here. Let's see how good this little light bar is, eh? See how much it brightens shit up compared to the stocky headlights. I know it's going to be a world of difference. So we've got our naughty little switch just poking out down here, thinking I'll put it into there, otherwise it'll be up here somewhere, I think. Cut a hole and chuck her in. But let's see, we're looking into the distance here. Ussa! Fucking, I can see the next fucking postal code, mate.
No bad.
Come around the bend, can't see shit. Oh, sorted. That's mint adjustment too, I reckon. Doesn't seem too high, doesn't seem too low.
Just the right amount of brightness, fellas.
That's it. Does the job nicely.
You'll see them roos before they see him.
Now turn that switch off. That's my normal high beams I would have had.
And then pow!
Dead set. You're joking. I'm laughing with that one. Bloody oath, that was a quick little one for us. Pretty simple. Pretty easy to nut out. Comes with all the kit for you to just chuck it in and Bob's your uncle, where he's your wizard, off you go. Sup, baby?
Hello.
Alright, ladies and gents. Bit of a chilly one.
Just a little bit.
Hold up. Hold up.
Oh, satisfaction.
Sippy lad. Ah. Oh. Nothing like a cold energy drink in the morn. Tell you what. What are we doing today?
Hopefully, I'm splitting some wood for tonight so I can keep warm.
Yes.
Hopefully, that big silver bitch
we'll have a fiddle, get a
Ready for Rego.
registration ready.
Yes, hopefully so.
That'll be a doozy. Look at us doing registration things around here. We registered the SS legally.
I registered the
alright,
SS.
yes, look, yeah. Wait, no, I mean,
Well, yes,
inspected,
yes.
got it ready for Rego, did the Rego.
Yes.
It ran out. Kane got pulled over one time, unregistered, and had to pay the Rego on the spot.
Yes, we won't talk about that.
Couple days, don't worry about it. Anyways, yeah, doing legal registrations around here. We're going to get this girl passed legally. This is unheard of. And yeah, we redone the wiring bits for the gauge, soldered and heat shrinked them. We've just got to chuck that back on and all the bits and pieces and just sort of, you know, give her a wash. Well, not a wash, but give her a clean out. Get her all nice and prettied up and ready for the pits. Oh, something pretty cool, got to show you. Picked these up the other day. High volume oil pump for the SS 50. North Vic engines, 7400 pushies, push rods, and a big old lump stick. She does have a bit of surface rust on her, but it's only been sitting for a few months and most of that cleans up. So we'll see how we go. And we'll give her a cold start. Cold start. No rear muffler. Fell off. Don't worry about it.
Chill out.
We need a new sensor. She's not really too happy, that one. At least that's not leaking.
Yeah, that's
good. Alright, super cheap auto run for a temperature sensor, some sandpaper and whatever other goodies we come up with along the way. Get the dog. Say, Kane, you make me buy shit. LED headlight conversion kit for the VS. Adapter thingy for coolant sensor for the gauge. Got a new sensor. Got an air spray gun thing for the compressor. Beauty. So just put the center console bit back together. I've got that adapter to go in. New headlights, bits and pieces. That's all done pretty much. I just got to tighten this gauge mount down. Kane's underneath me right now. He's giving her a bit of a scrub down in the underneath region. Just going over it, but as you can see, it's pretty clean under here for the most part.
Could you go up a couple of pumps if you get the chance?
Pump it up. You got to pump it up. That I can do, my bro.
Nah, fuck, bro, this is mint under gear 8.
Yeah?
There's a little bit of oil around, but all, it's pretty clean.
Yeah, wow. It's not bad. And then we're gonna race her down, get this inspection done. I think we got some good chances.
My fingers are crossed.
Yeah. Tyres are good. She's stock height. Everything's in stock. All I've done is put a gauge in the bastard and a light bar. So I reckon we've got good chances here, boys. Alright, so she is pretty damn clean under here. Like, holy shit. That's crazy.
Yeah, bud.
Alright, let's get this dog to an inspection.
Oh yes.
Get the dog. Look at that. Look at that fucking motion. Anyways, yeah, she's up on the hoist, boys. Exhaust fell off, as we know. Look at this, look at this. Look how clean she is. Nice and tidy, nice and tidy. Yeah, mate. Oh, look at that. We have registration on the big girl. So she passed first go. Forgot to get some clips, but I just zoomed it home, and then we've brought it down here today. Sorted the registration out, and we're all sweet. Yeah, she's in my name, and she's registered. Best thing about ACT Rego is, as long as I keep it registered, don't let it sit without Rego for more than a year, I can just pay it online. It doesn't need any more inspections.